Good morning. So, tomorrow's Father's Day. Obviously, I like to cook, so I'm going to make some things for Father's Day tomorrow. One of the things I'm going to make is a fruit salad. I know you're saying, fruit salad, come on. How hard can it be? Well, it's not hard. It's what I put in it. And that little secret recipe, you're going to have to stay till the end, because I'm not going to tell you right now. But what I will tell you is, you will like it. So, stick around, wait, see what it is. To minimize cleanup, get yourself one of these turkey pans, put everything in. It'll make things a lot easier. Now, I have to wash the fruit, but this is what we're going to do. Seedless grapes, we got some cherries, we got some strawberries, we got some seedless watermelon, we got some blueberries, we got some pears, we got some mangoes, we have some pineapple. Now, do not throw this pineapple top away. When you cut the top, and I'll show you how to cut it, cut the top and you can grow a lovely plant like this. Alright? This plant was started from a pineapple top about a year ago. So, and it's not hard at all. You go on YouTube and they'll tell you how to do it. Just search pineapple top or something. And so, let me get all this stuff cleaned up and we'll be back. The grapes you can leave whole. Blueberries you can leave whole. We're gonna take the green leaves off the strawberries and cut those up. And the cherries we're gonna pit. And I don't have a pitter, but I did hear if you use a bottle, the top side and a chopstick. Just push it through and here you have it. It's pitted. So I have my pan here. As I pit these, I'm just going to throw them right in the pan. And again, and that's it. So I've added the grapes, the blueberries, and the cherries, and now I'm going to take care of the strawberries. So all I'm going to do with the strawberries is I'm going to cut them in my hand. Take the top off. I got a garbage thing over there. Right, and I'm just going to quarter them. And that's how we're going to do the strawberries. Again, these are already washed. Alright, so we're adding pears. I'm going to leave the skin on because I like the color. And we eat skin anyway for the most part, right? When we eat them. So we're going to quarter them, we're going to core them, we're going to dice them up. Now what we need to do though, is we need to add something to the meat so they don't turn brown from oxidizing. You could do a couple things. You can add lemon. You can add citric acid that you can get in the canning section of your supermarket. I like to add lime because it also adds a different level of flavor. So once I get these all worked up, I got a lime here. I'm going to add the lime juice, mix it up, and then put it in with the rest of the salad. Alright, again, just squeeze the lime juice. It'll add another dimension of flavor, and it'll keep these from turning brown. Mix it up, and then that's going to go right in the salad. Alright. Pineapple. How do you cut the pineapple? Take the top off. Save this. Take the bottom off. Throw that away. You quarter it. Actually, more than quarter. You're going to cut it in half. You're going to cut it in half again. And then you're going to cut those pieces in half. You're going to, there's the rind. You're going to just cut the rind. Leaves you the meat. The thin part here. You can see this dark. This is hard. This is the core. That's the good stuff. And the rest of the stuff, that's garbage. I'll put it in there. And this, you just cut up and throw in your salad. Again, your rind. You might get like a little piece here. Just lop it off. The core. Garbage. Now alternatively, if you're going to buy a fresh pineapple, they usually have stations there where you can have them you know, cored and cleaned. I don't know. I've never had the patience to sit there and wait for that. You know, I'm just as good at doing it this way. So, let me finish these up, and then we'll get on to the watermelon. Okay, so now time for the watermelon. I'm going to cut the ends off so it stands up. You don't want to go too far into it. It's okay if you take a little. Alright, you want it to, now you can stand it up. Now it's easier to take the rind off. See, just very little bit. take it off in layers. Cube it up. And add it to your salad. Let me finish this up and I'll be right back. Now it's just a matter of mixing it up. You can use a spoon if you want. Using your hands, your clean hands, will be so much easier. Okay. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. All right, you ready? Grenadine. That's right, I put grenadine in my fruit salad. You're probably saying, oh, is that really worth waiting for? Let me tell you, yes. It adds a little bit of sweetness to it that some of these tart fruits might have, because maybe they're out of season or they're not that ripe. I just sprinkle some over. In this case it was probably about a third of a bottle. And that's it. I'll wash my hands and I'm going to mix it up again. And there you have it. I always make a whole bunch and it's gone within a day or two. Right away I can taste the watermelon sweeter with that little bit of grenadine on it, because it really wasn't that sweet because it's early in the season. You won't be disappointed. It's better than adding granulated sugar on there. And so there you have it. A fruit salad for Father's Day. Everybody will love it, trust me. I hope you like this video. If you subscribe, hit the notification, like, comment. Please comment. I mean, give me an idea of what you want to see, and I'll do my best to bring it to you. So, for now, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef, and I'll see you next time.